Hey guys, this is Bo right here. I ain't made too many videos, but I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the trigger on an AR-15. So, assuming you guys already got it taken down and broke down, the little safety selector is held in. There is a pin that is in there, and it's held in by your spring from your handle. Once you get that out, this piece just pulls right out. Just turn it, and it'll come out. Or not. If you push your trigger back, just push this hammer back here, it'll come out a lot better. See if you can see in this hole when you pull the trigger, there's a piece in there. Can't see it too good because I ain't got the best camera in the world, but when you pull it back, makes a little bit more room in there. Pull the trigger. So once you get this piece out, your little safety selector will be 2 pins. There's one there, there's one here. This is for the top hammer, and this is for the lower trigger part. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the top hammer pin. If you can't push it, just give it a little tap. I'm using a little ball punch, a rubber mallet. You want to get pressure on that hammer up top, because once you push this pin through, once it goes all the way through, I just have it through a little bit. You want to hold this hammer. You want to make sure you hold that really tight, and you push from this side, and it'll push right out. Boom. That's how you get your hammer part out. Get a pin. Move this next pin. See, sometimes you can just push on them. It'll come right out. Be careful when you're taking this out. This piece catches your hammer and holds it back. Here's your trigger. Be careful, don't lose that spring right there. That's what pushes this piece. That spring sits right underneath this notch, and it pushes this piece, and this claw holds onto the back of this hammer. Right back there. And yep. So that's how you guys remove the trigger from your AR-15 and safety fire switch, and it just goes back in the same way. I'll put another video up for you guys later on how to re-back install it. Thank you. See you later.